Select the checkbox below to confirm that you have understood all the important information and agree to Interact's terms and conditions and privacy policy. While adding your contact number to the WhatsApp Business API account, you will also learn how to create a Meta Business account, followed by creating a WhatsApp Business API account if you do not have one yet. Click the Add Contact Number for WhatsApp API account button to proceed. Select the method of verification to verify your business with Meta. You can select either GSTIN or UIN, or business website or Facebook page to verify your business. If you select GSTIN or UIN, you can enter the GSTIN or UIN of your business to proceed. If you select business website or Facebook page, you will need to enter the URL of your business website or Facebook profile page to do the business verification. Click Login to Facebook. If you are not already logged into your Facebook account, the Login to use your Facebook account with Interact screen opens. Enter your Facebook login credentials to log in. If you are already logged into your Facebook account, you will be prompted to continue with the same login through the Continue as option as shown. The Chat with WhatsApp User screen appears. Click the Get Started button. In the Connect Your Account to Haptic screen, click Continue. In the Fill in Your Business Information screen, under the Meta Business Account section, your business account name will be pre-filled. If you do not have any Meta Business account yet, select the Create a Business Account option and create one from the same screen. Enter the correct business name. Ensure that the business name is the same as mentioned in the GST registration certificate. Enter your business email address. If you have opted to sign up through GSTIN or UIN, this field is optional. You can leave this field blank and continue to complete the sign-up process. Once you have selected or created a Meta Business account, click Next. The Create or Select Your WhatsApp Business account screen appears. You can choose to create a new WhatsApp Business API account or select an existing one and click Next. In the Create a WhatsApp Business Profile screen, enter an appropriate business account name. Next, enter a WhatsApp Business Profile display name. This name will appear on your message when you send a communication from your WhatsApp Business API account number to any party's WhatsApp number. Therefore, it is recommended that the display name be the same as your business name. Next, select the time zone and the category of your business. Enter a business description and click Next. In the Add a Phone Number for WhatsApp screen, enter the phone number that you want to add for the WhatsApp Business API account for all your business communication. Select the text message or phone call mode to receive the verification code and click Next. In the Verify Your Phone Number screen, enter the verification code and click Next. On successful verification of your phone number, in the next screen, click the Finish button. After adding your contact number to your WhatsApp Business account, you can proceed for the business verification process. You can see your business verification status as not verified if your business verification is pending. Select Verify Now to start the business verification. Select the business vertical. Upload your GST registration certificate. You can log into the GST portal and download your GST registration certificate. Enter your legal business name and address. Ensure that the business name and address is the same as mentioned in the uploaded GST registration certificate. Select Submit for verification. After submitting the document, Meta starts the business verification process, which is expected to complete in a few minutes. However, in some cases, the verification might take up to 12 hours. If you have opted to sign up through GSTIN or UIN for business verification, you will receive a message confirming that your business verification is successful. Once your business verification is done, you can start sending unlimited number of messages daily. If your business verification remains unsuccessful, you will have up to 20 days to do the verification again with the correct legal business name and address. On your Interact account screen, you will see a congratulations message for successfully adding your contact number to your WhatsApp Business API account. This number will now be referred to as your registered business WhatsApp number.